In this video, I will show you how to change your DNS settings on Windows 11. First, click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and then type settings. And once you see the settings app, click on open. And once you're in your settings, look on the left side of the screen and you will see an option labeled as network and internet. Click on it and it will bring you to a screen like this. Here you will see two options. If you're using Wi-Fi, then choose Wi-Fi. And if you're using Ethernet, then click on Ethernet. For example, in this case, I'll pick Ethernet. Now in this section, you will see an option labeled as DNS server assignment and it's probably set to automatic. So click on the added button next to it and a small window will pop up. Now what you have to do is switch the settings from automatic to manual. For this, click on automatic and from the drop down, choose manual. Now here you will see you have two further options. So turn on IPv4. After this, what you have to do is enter these numbers. In the first box, which is primary DNS, type 8.8.8.8 and then in the second box, which is secondary DNS, type 8.8.4.4. So basically these are Google's public DNS settings, but you can use others if you prefer. And once you've entered the numbers, click on save and that's it.